Tour of G2 on the Carnival Paradise.
Scenic ocean view room.
Scenic ocean view room. Alright. And here we go. We got a beautiful view of Tampa Bay, but we got the beds, your little vanity area with some shelving on the side there, and the fridge is right underneath here. Try to open it. There we go. Fridge. Alright, we got more drawers. Your normal, typical Carnival bathroom, shower, high power suction toilet, sink. Got some toiletries right there. Alright. We've got nice flat screen TV. More little space here. Got a few shelves with a safe there. More drawers. And we got one closet, two closets here. So there's plenty of space in this area. Got a table with two chairs. And of course by each bed there's little nightstands on each one. But God, how can you not love this view? But this is stateroom G2 on the Carnival Paradise.